International Waterfall Day is always held on June 16th. From waterfalling a few inches to a foot or more over rocks in a babbling brook, to the thundering cascade of Niagara Falls, people all over the world are captivated by waterfalls. The power and sound of the crashing water thrills and amazes. Each waterfall is unique, has its own charm, and none are alike. Waterfalls put on a show all year long as the water is poured over and splashed on the rocks below. The heaviest flow is in the spring, when melting snow and spring rains flood the rivers and streams that tumble over each falls. Some waterfalls dry up completely during the summer months. Throughout history, humans have been drawn to settle near water and waterfalls. The lure is understandable. In addition to providing water to drink and bathe, the water provides fishing for both food and sport. As man learned to create machines to do the heaviest work, waterfalls powered mills long before electricity was discovered. The power of rushing water soon turned hydroelectric generators, producing electric energy. Celebrate International Waterfall Day by visiting a waterfall, either in person or by watching a video such as this.